Good morning. So the job today is just removing this flue and installing a new one, and we have the new one there. Haven't shown you how to install a flue before, but it's very easy, so let's get to it. Okay, this one actually probably a touch harder because these tiles are a little bit harder. There you go. It's number one. So that's all you're looking at. Somebody removed a tile, chipped it away and put a flue down it. Now, if this was a newer flue, there'd be flexi duct, and it would just be a matter of untaping that flexi duct and taping it back onto the new one, sliding the new flue in. That is literally how easy it is. But because this is an older flue, you know, you're probably looking 35 years old. They've done it with a straight down piece, so we'll have to cut the flexi duct and put it into the hole. So the first thing you'll notice is we get the flue actually made to suit the pitch, like that. So it does actually suit the pitch. And then what I'm going to do is, with this flexi duct here, I'm just going to cut it to the length I need, and we'll tape it to the bottom of the flue. That just slides on the end, like so. Duct tape. Now, just because of the way these tiles are, if it was further down the roof, I would probably, I might be able to do it, just get them going under the actual tile, like so. So you get your bit of lead, which then goes down and under the tile. But you can see what happens with this one. Obviously it comes right down, has a big dip because of the way it is. So the way they've done these ones is they've left it high, like so. Okay. And rather than have this under the tile, what they've done is they've put in another piece of lead up the top. Okay, you can see it up there under these tiles, which will then run the water from there straight down and over this lead. So the only thing I will do on this flue to make sure that it doesn't do anything wrong is I'll put a bit of silicone under it so it doesn't slide down at all. Then it's just tapping it over and making sure it doesn't move. That's how easy it is. Just put in a flue. On the bottom side, we'll go in the roof and make sure it's connected to the fan so that there's no chance of any air escaping, and we'll duct tape it to the top of the fan. And that is your flue fully installed. Just work that lead down and in. Sometimes it's better just to actually use the handle. So there you have it, fully installed, water running down. Now we'll go into the roof, duct tape the flexi duct to the fan, and that gets rid of all your gases from your bathroom.